You fill the kettle with water. You have it boil.
Can you explain about the change of color?
Yes, it will boil. I put the bag tea in. It's changing the colour. When it's finished boiling, I pour the boiled water over the tea bag. And it changes.
That's it. And now
I take out the tea bag. If you want milk, you can add milk, or you can drink it like this.
I gave this kettle to my mother-in-law for Christmas, and I can tell you it's fabulous. It has a simple model design that adapts to any kitchen style, easy to use with its transparent container, and the light system allows you to see when your water is ready. Within 8 seconds you can have your delicious cup of tea.